Officially based Benda Motor presents Benda LFC 700. This cruiser motorbike with a cool appearance is officially present at the motorbike that originally appeared at the China International Motor Expo with the concept name Benda LF01, which is now officially mass-produced. Very sturdy in terms of appearance, this motorbike is not much different from the concept version. Even the mass production version is still quite similar to the motorbike concept with the presence of a headlamp, aka the main light, which looks very futuristic. Plus, the middle body to the rear, which also looks very exotic. The rear tires are super wide because they use a size of 310 mm. Another quite striking appearance is the use of an exhaust in the form of a muffler at the bottom of the engine under belly exhaust. The exhaust hole looks towards the rear right with 4 parallelogram holes. Meanwhile, the rear sig arms themselves are made of aluminum with a monoshock. For the front wheels, it uses dual disc brakes. Disc and with radial front calipers with upside-down front suspension combination. Another feature of the LFC 700 that is quite visible is the presence of the ABS braking system. For the standard type it uses brakes made by Nissan, but for the highest type it uses brakes from Brembo. Apart from that, the dashboard speedometer also uses a TFT screen with a navigation system located on the wide handlebar. The most striking thing is indeed the presence of LED headlights in the form of a roundabout with an aircraft engine turbine-style design. The Benda LFC 700 engine itself uses a 4-cylinder type with a capacity of 680 cc, is liquid-cooled and uses the Delphi injection system combined with a 6-speed manual transmission. Even though it uses the same engine base, Benda motorcycle presents 2 types, namely standard and high power with the same power and torque. Different. For the standard type, this motor is capable of producing a peak power of 84.4 HP at 10,000 revolutions per minute and a torque of 60 Nm at 8,000 revolutions per minute. RPM for the standard type, it only has a top speed, aka a maximum speed of 170 km per hour, while for the high power type, it can be pushed even faster, up to speeds of 195 km per hour. The Benda LFC 700 high power gets additional features, namely the assist and slipper clutch and suspension made by KYB. Both the standard and high power types are also equipped with an electronic ride-by-wire system as in the concept model. For other details, the tire profile used is really solid, namely 130mm for the front and 310mm for the rear. With a fuel tank capacity of up to 20 liters, this 235 kilograms motorbike has a fairly low seat height, which is only 695mm. This is the shape and specifications of the Benda LFC 700 cruiser motorbike. The Benda LFC 700 cruiser motorbike is the result of one of the manufacturers that is often referred to as Harley's eternal rival, namely Benda Motor Group. Before launching the Benda LFC 700 cruiser motorbike, this manufacturer had already presented the 300 or BD 300 version. Maybe someone is curious about the design model to the engine specifications of the Benda LFC 700 cruiser motorbike. Friends of bikers, this LFC 700 object carries a more futuristic design model of a modern cruiser motorbike. The front has a main light which is designed to look like a turbine and is surrounded by an LCD as a lighting source.